Department of Education. And like so many of you joining us here this morning who knew her, I was awed on a daily basis by Kathleen's intelligence, her honesty, and her commitment to service. So what could be more fitting than to name a school after her? Because schools are testaments to those same virtues: the importance of knowledge, the demand for truth, and a deep commitment to our children, our community, and our future. Kathleen guided me, as she did so many of us, through 1,000 challenges of management and policy and finance and law, and from tax policy to urban finance, from building schools to wrestling with the bureaucracy, from law to management. She was the first person I would turn to, and as Carmen said, the last one I would check with before making a decision. Trusted by mayors and chancellors, by agency heads and politicians, by union leaders and auditors and even reporters, and most of all by the staff lucky enough to have worked with her, Kathleen was the rock for so many of us during stormy times. She understood the real world. She often affected an aura of world weariness and even could sound cynical through her humor. But she always aspired relentlessly to make it a better place. Gramsci would have called it pessimism of the mind, but optimism of the heart. For me, it was the key to making change possible. And Kathleen embodied a commitment to change, to making the world, especially the schools for these last 13 years, a better place. What better demonstration could there be of faith in the future than a life dedicated to service, especially service to children? And what better demonstration could we make of how much we learned from her than naming this beautiful school after her? A school focused on leadership, which she showed every day, and on sustainability, the central issue for our future and for these kids' futures. Lionel Lieber was a great teacher about faith, and here's what he wrote: "Nothing worth doing is completed in our lifetime, and therefore we are saved by hope. Nothing true or beautiful or good makes complete sense in any immediate context of history, and therefore we are saved by faith. Nothing we do, however virtuous, can be accomplished alone, and therefore we are saved by love. And no virtuous act is quite as virtuous from the standpoint of a friend or foe than it is from our own, and therefore we are saved by the final form of love, which is forgiveness." That's what Kathleen left with me after 30 years of friendship: hope, faith, love, forgiveness. It's what I hope we leave for her and for the thousands of children and families and teachers who will use this extraordinary testament to her. Kathleen, what a life you made. Thank you.